What's up guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I want to show you how to optimize Nvidia graphic card for gaming and performance. So the first step is you want to make sure that all your Nvidia drivers are updated. So you got to go on their official site. I'm gonna leave a link to this particular page on in the description of this video. And you have two options, as you can see: automatically driver updates and manual driver search. The automatic one I think is the easiest and the safest one, because you don't need to do basically anything. They just download and automatically update your drivers for you. And the manual one, you gotta make sure you know which type of Nvidia driver you have, and the way you find this out is by right clicking on your desktop and you have Nvidia Control Panel. You click on it. Good. It should look like this or a little bit different, depends. And at the bottom here you have system information. Click on it. And as you can see here, I have GeForce 920 MX. If yours is, it might be different, depends on which type of Nvidia driver you have, but that's the way you find out what type of driver you have if you want to manually update your driver. But for the sake of this video, you just click on automatic driver update, download now. It will start downloading, and let's move on to the next step. And we're back onto Nvidia Control Panel. You want to make sure you're on adjust image settings with preview. Click on it. And the only thing that you need to change here, it's click on use the advanced 3D image setting, then click apply, and then you should be good to go. Now let's move on to manage 3D settings. Click on it, and you want to make sure you're on global settings, and let's begin. Image sharpening should be changed to on. It should be set to 15, and 0.17 on sharpen should be 15. Ignore film grain 17. Click OK. Ambient occlusion should be turned to performance. Good. Anisotropic filtering should be led to application control. Anti-aliasing off. Anti-aliasing application controlled. Good. This should be good here. Now we want to change low latency mode. We're gonna turn to ultra. Good. Now let's change OpenGL rendering GPU to GeForce 920 MX. Mine, it's called that. I don't know yours. Now we're gonna optimize for compute performance. On. Good. Now power management mode, we're gonna change that too. We're gonna select preferred maximum performance. Good. Shatter cake on, text filtering off. This is good. Text filtering quality, we're gonna change that. We're gonna select high performance. Okay. And the only thing that we need to change, and this is the last one, it's gonna be vertical sync. We're gonna turn this off. Once you have these settings, click apply, and let's move on to the next step. Now what you guys need to do is go on set configuration, whatever, I cannot pronounce that. And what you want to set it to is to your GeForce processor. Then click apply, wait for the changes to apply, and once they're applied, you're good to go. And that's basically it. Hope I was helpful. If I was, leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.